YouTube Shorts is a way for anyone to turn an idea into a chance to connect with new audiences anywhere in the world. All you need is a smartphone and the Shorts camera built right in the YouTube app to create shorts up to 60 seconds long. The latest Shorts creation tools make it fast, fun, and easy to be a creator on YouTube. Create a short. Creating a short with YouTube's short-form video creation tools allows you to record one or more clips that add up to 60 seconds. Creating a short with YouTube's short-form video creation tools allows you to record one or more clips that add up to 60 seconds. While recording with the Shorts camera, use the progress bar at the top of your screen to see how many segments you've recorded and the length of each. To create a short video on YouTube, sign in to the YouTube app. Tap Create and select Create a Short, or tap Remix from the Shorts watch page. To make your short longer than 15 seconds, tap 15S in the upper right corner to record up to 60 seconds. To record a clip, hold Capture or tap it to start recording and then again to stop. Tap Undo to remove the previous video clip you recorded, or tap Redo to add it back. Tap Close and then choose to start over or to save as draft and exit the camera. Tap Done to preview and enhance your video. Tap Back to return to the record screen. You can also tap back after you've made edits to start over or to save as draft and exit the editor. Saving a draft at this point saves any edits you've made. Tap Next to add details to your video. From this screen, add a title up to 100 characters and choose settings like video privacy. Note: the default video privacy setting for creators aged 13 to 17 is private. If you're 18 or older, your default video privacy setting is set to public. Everyone can change this setting to make their video public, private, or unlisted. Tap Select Audience and then, yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not made for kids to choose your audience. Learn more about Made for Kids. Tap Upload Short to publish your short. Save your short as a draft. You can save your short as a draft before you upload to come back and edit later. There's no limit to the number of drafts that you can keep at one time. Note that drafts are saved to your device and not to your YouTube channel. If you delete the YouTube app or replace your device, you lose your drafts. To find your drafts in the YouTube app, tap Create and then Create a Short. In the lower right corner, tap Drafts. From here, you can select a draft to edit or delete it from your device. Select a thumbnail. You can choose a frame from your short to be used as the thumbnail before you upload your video. You can't choose a thumbnail after you've uploaded your short yet, including uploading a custom thumbnail on Studio from your computer. Here's how to select a thumbnail for your short record or import a video with the Shorts camera. Navigate to the final upload screen and then tap the edit on the thumbnail of your video. Make your selection and then tap Done. Enhance your shorts while recording. Add music or other audio. Adjust recording speed. Record with a timer. Apply filters. Apply effects. Add a background. Align frames. Adjust segments. Import segments. Add stickers, sound and text after you record. Add sound. Add text. Add Q&A sticker. Record voiceover. Adjust timeline. Add filters. Add comments. Get Shorts editing tips.